Today I want to check out this pretty beefy Nemef Assa Abloy padlock. Nemef is a Dutch brand. It's an abbreviation of the Nederlandse Meubelfabriek, which means the Dutch furniture factory. Worked great, very heavy. Let's see if we can pick into this. Bitting of the key is like this. So I'll use a wiper insert in the pin side and solder standard hook. So let's see. 5 is binding, click. 4 is binding, click, and a small movement of the core. 1 is loose, 2 is binding. One, 2, 3 is not binding, so 2 probably needs a bit more or less. There was a small click from 2. Now let's check 3. Didn't touch him yet. 3 is binding. It's not full of the pin. 1 is binding. And it looks like we have this open. So there you go. Not a terribly difficult pick, but a fun pick, and I like this padlock. It's nice and beefy. With the keys, it's brand new. I bought it myself, and yeah, it's a joy to pick it. So this is part of the pass around. So thanks for watching. Take care.